Hello everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, pianist, composer, piano and composition teacher. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch the introduction video of the channel. I'm leaving the link below in the description, where you will find also the link for my artistic channel in case you are interested in original music and covers. Going back to the Piano Lessons to Go channel, don't forget to subscribe and to share also with your friends if there is anybody that is interested in piano music. Let me know also about yourself when you started studying, your experience. Now time to go to our lesson. Today I want to explain and play Una Mattina by Ludovico Einaudi using the Ludovico Einaudi graded pieces for piano. It is for preparatory grade 1 and grade 2 level. Today I have also published the tutorial made using the official album by Einaudi. Let's see the official version, advanced version. And at the end, what is very funny this time, I've used also the grade 5 piano solos book, but the piece is identical. There is nothing that is different. So this time I've been simply explaining that the two books are equivalent. But obviously it's not about, in this video we are not going to talk about the official, the final version of Una Mattina by Ludovico Einaudi, but we are going to talk about this very simplified version. It's the very first piece of this book. What is very interesting of this book is that you get exercises before you study the piece. Let's read together what is happening here. So it says, stamp on the first beat of the bar, and then here is written starting playing, maybe start playing with your left hand on the second beat. Connect the two notes as smoothly as possible. It's giving you speeds from 108 to 120. I'm showing you now obviously the final speed. At the final speed, this simple basic exercise that should be made by the left hand is referring to the first bar, and first bar. It's quite simple, yeah? It is obvious that you will use the right hand to stamp. Counting out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. You see, you start playing on the second beat. Then, pause 1 second. It says, strengthen your third and fourth finger and play the line as smoothly as possible. It might help to roll from one note to another. Keep your wrist loose and relaxed. It's referring now to the right hand notes, and I'm showing you anyways at the final speed this exercise. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and it is referring to these passages, the one in the third bar of the first line and third bar of the third line. Let's look at the other one. Coordinate your two hands and feel the melody moving upwards, with the right hand finally landing on the A. We are now referring to the notes, let's say, that are going from the third beat of the first bar up to the second beat, I would say, of the second bar. Same as in the second line. Same story. So it's exactly what is happening at the beginning of the lines. And let's see how it would sound at 120. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and... Play it many times. Obviously, don't forget that it's very wise to start from the lowest. Even lower, to be very honest. You could even start from 60, or if needed from less than 60, and then step by step you try to reach 120. Never move 1 by 1, maybe 2 by 2 or 4 by 4. For example, if you're ready, do 80, 82, 84 and so on, or 80, 84, 88, up to 120. Now I want to play for you Una Mattina in this very simplified version at 120. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. not playing it slower? For example, at half speed, for example at 60, to help you developing step by step your skills. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 2 This is una mattina, using these graded pieces for piano. I invite you to start from this, but then I wish you to play the final version. Tell me if you are appreciating these tutorials, if you enjoyed also the performance of my official video published on Thursday on my artistic channel. If it's the first time you're landing on my channel thanks to this video, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. All the best.